Hello viewer, my name is Kevin Kevans, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to motion track. Now before then, shout out to firstleonstudios.com. Those guys got the best free sound effects you might want to use for your video. Alright, let's dive into this. Now after having your video on the timeline, you right click the video you want to motion track, and then you click the motion tracking down below. It's the last option, and after clicking that, the video properties will appear and you will see a box on the screen. Now in that box, you take it to the position of which you want to track. Now for this tutorial, I'm tracking his feet, his right feet. So you resize that to the object you want to track on the video. So after doing that, you click the start tracking button up there, and then it will roll over. When it's done, you see drop down. When you click that, you import. If it's an image file, you import the image file, or if it's a text file, you make sure you have the text on the timeline. If not, you won't see anything there. So now after importing the image, I created this image in Photoshop and it's a PNG image. So when you're done, you play that and boom, that's all. You're done with motion tracking. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, do well to click the subscribe button, and if you're new to Wondershare Filmora, there's a total beginner tutorial up below. You can just click that to get started. And if you have any questions or you want me to do a video about anything, please just comment down below and we will get it all done. Peace out. Love you all.